In a world where 25% of yearly revenue happens in just 4 weeks, where millions of brands fight for inbox supremacy, and most marketers start too late.
What if I told you the battle for Black Friday starts in September?
One marketer, 3 videos, infinite revenue potential.
Your competitors are already preparing. Your customers' inboxes are waiting, and your biggest revenue opportunity of the year starts now.
The complete BFCM email trilogy.
Ready to make this your most profitable Q4 ever?
This Black Friday, emails will be sent, revenue will be made. But only one question remains. Will you be ready?